In this video, we want to show you the best wolf attacks. Thank you for liking the video and subscribing to the channel to support us and give us energy. A number of wolves attacked this man, and this man protected himself by using a stick and drove the wolves away from him. A very interesting and attractive scene of wolves attacking the buffalo herd. To save himself and his group, the big buffalo had to throw the little buffalo to the ground to escape. The wolves attacked the dog, but the poor dog was tied to a collar and had no way to escape. A wolf trying to hunt a wounded buffalo. This dog thought he could attack the wolf, but he was wrong. The wolves have to steal the food of this big dog, but the dog is very strong and the wolves are afraid of him. The wolves attacked these two dogs and these dogs ran down the mountain to survive. Who do you think will win the fight between the big dog and the wolf? The bear is eating and the wolf wants to share the meal with him. The savage attack of the wolves on this mother's child. I think this is a small goat for all the wolves. The bear was eating his prey when a pack of wolves approached him and this happened.